This third major section of assembling keys in config involves setting up the Azure Active Directory Global Administrator role, making sure that it is assigned to the myAppRegTest1 service principal that we created when we ran the automated process in section 1. So we'll follow the instructions here from agilecloudinstitute.io in the engineering section in the assemble-keys-and-config page that gives instructions. And you'll see that it's saying to start by navigating to the Active Directory tenant's main page and clicking on Roles and Administrators tab, as you show in the following screenshot. We'll take you through this. And then we want to search on the resulting page for Global and click on the Global Administrator role. And we'll want to see whether or not the role has been assigned to myAppRegTest1. And if it has not, then we will add an assignment. And we will follow the instructions to add the assignment. And we will confirm that it has been added successfully. So let's go through these steps. First, going to portal.azure.com. And in this case, this user is already logged in as the account owner. So we're going to Azure Active Directory. And we're going to Roles and Administrators. And we're going to type in Global. And you see Global Administrator, which we're double clicking on. And you can see that myAppRegTest is not among the assignees. So here we're going to click on Add Assignments. And we're going to search for myApp. And you see that myAppRegTest has showed up in the results. And as we've selected it, it showed up on the right here. And that's what we want. So we click on Add. And now we can see that myAppRegTest has been added and is now the top result amongst the recent assignees of the Global Administrator role for the Active Directory. You can download the Agile Cloud Manager for free at agilecloudinstitute.io, and you can hire the Agile Cloud Institute to perform technical support, training, and consulting. You can get more information and you can contact us through agilecloudinstitute.io.